If you're like me, you love chili. And right now I'm gonna show you the next episode in the It's Not Gourmet, It Just Tastes That Way series with pork chili el nopal. We'll start off with 4 pounds of pork. And this could be a pork shoulder cut up and deboned. These, I believe, are some like country style ribs that I've just cut up and cut some of the larger chunks of fat off. And I'm gonna throw those in a large bowl here. Hit them with salt and pepper. It's always good to start by seasoning the meat because there's nothing worse than under-seasoned meat, but nothing better than a well-seasoned piece of meat. You guys following? If we add all these veggies in there and then try to guess the seasoning, it's probably not gonna come out right. So eyeball that, start with the meat, and then we're just gonna take all the veggies and throw them in the bowl. I've got 4 cups, of zucchini, 4 cups poblano peppers, 4 cups Roma tomatoes, 4 cups diced onion. You guys know that cup song? Well, I've been... No, I don't know. I don't even know how to sing. Some tomato sauce. And then this is where el nopal comes in. This is nopal cactus, jarred. I've strained that, rinsed it of the vinegar, pulled out any peppers. There's usually a couple of serranos in there. And then chopped it up into small bits like this. Garlic. This is where the chili comes in. I'll encourage you to try to find ground chilies that are just pure chili, nothing else added. Look for that. Cumin. I'm gonna give a little bit more salt on the top. What do you guys think? Looking pretty good. I'm just gonna mix this up, take my hands. For the record, I just dipped my hands in boiling water for 10 seconds. So, or sanitized. All right, from there, do you think this is all gonna fit in here? Oh, mamacita. Man, I don't know. If this cooks down, it's gonna overflow. Maybe we set the crock pot on a sheet pan as it cooks in case it overflows, but the good thing is that I tested this recipe and already put all these exact same ingredients in another crock pot and started cooking that about 9 hours ago. So through the magic of television, we'll be right back with the finished product. Boom, done guys. There it is. I'm hoping that the pork is finger tender. Man, I'm not gonna touch it at all. It's perfect. I'm actually gonna finish this up quick so I can go have a bowl of this, but what I'll do is I'll just scoop this out. Boom. Cilantro, just like that. What do you think? That works for me. I can see it all in there. Good color, some nice greenery around it. Flavor is out of this world. And you know what, guys? If my memory serves me right, I think the Super Bowl might be coming up. And you don't want to be stressed out on Super Bowl Sunday, so why not put this together on Super Bowl Saturday and totally blow your friends out of the water. I'm Paleo Nick. This has been pork chili el nopal. And just reminding you that it's not gourmet, it just tastes that way.